You better catch up. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. You better catch up. Tomatoes, tomatoes. You better catch up.
Hello and welcome to Let's Draw. Today we are going to draw a ketchup bottle and a tomato. I hope you are ready. First step is to subscribe. So after you do the first step and subscribe, we're going to start off with the tomato bottle, and I'm going to draw a simple sad face. That's just a little curve. All right, so we're going to make this one look kind of 3D-ish, unlike the little animation you just saw. So I'm going to start off with the little curve, and I'm going to draw another one right below it. Then I'm going to connect the two. And now under here, I'm just going to curve this on out, and this is the bottom of our ketchup bottle. So now I'm just going to make the cap by drawing a straight line up, and then guess what? Another curve. And then do the same thing again, straight line up, kind of slant it just a little bit, and then a curve. And now I can get to drawing his face and his legs. Then you can give him a little smirk, have his tongue sticking out, and alright, I didn't draw arms in the animation, but I could do that here. We can do that here. Let's just give him some arms. And I'm gonna make him give the peace sign. Peace. Or we can do it a more complicated way and draw a little part. Well, it's kind of like a backward C. Then we're gonna draw two bunny ears and then curve it down like that. He's saying peace, guys. And then just put his hand on his hip like so. Add a little detail in the tongue. Maybe not that much, just a little line. There we go. Now it's time to draw the tomato. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to draw a tomato. First, I'm gonna just show you the way I did it the first in the animation. And that's basically just a simple oval. And then you draw the leaves on the tomato, and that's basically the tomato. But now I can draw his face. Just a couple of circles and a little curve. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can draw a tomato, because tomatoes come in many weird shapes sometimes if you ever get them organically. So I can kind of start off with a little heart like that. Well, not really a heart, but just oddly shaped heart. And I can create it from that shape and just have the leaves come from behind it just like I did before. Or I can do it from the top view, where I draw my oval and then have a little star at the top that kind of looks like the leaves. And if I wanted to draw his face from here, then I would kind of draw it like right here. So this is from the top view, and got the little face, and I'm gonna make him mad face. And I'm gonna make him happy face. Yay! The big mouth. There we go. And now just for a little bit of color, a little splash of color. And this should only take a second.
Better catch up. You better catch up. You better catch up.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you subscribe, you like, and also comment and let me know what you want to see me draw next. Can't wait to see you next time. Thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.